Hey Emily, I was seeing your question here, and this is something that I've actually struggled with quite a bit, so let me show you how to do it, at least in Microsoft Word, because it's something that it took me years as a student to figure out. Here, let me go ahead and create a new Word document. And if you're using Google Docs, the process is really similar. It's the stuff will be in a slightly different place, but the process will be really similar. So if you're trying to get your last name and page number on the top right, but you don't want it to say page 1 every time, what you want to do is you want to insert, and then what you want to insert is the page numbers. So in Microsoft Word, it's right here. I don't know where it is in Google Doc, but it's going to be a similar process. So you go to the top of the page because, we want it at the top right, and then top right there, and then you just type your name. There's mine, add the space, and then you can either close it here or double click here. And even though this is just one page, if I was like blah 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 blah, and then I was going into my second page, there's my last name and page number there. So that's all you need to do, and you'll have perfect MLA document design in terms of your last name and page number anyways.